Mudiyattu. Mudiyattu is a performing art which depicts battle between goddess Kali and Darika. Darika is a demon. So Mudiyattu is a ritual art which is performed in Ernakulam and Kottayam districts of Kerala. It is an art of Kerala, first of all. It depicts battle between goddess Kali and demon Darika, and it is a part of Bhadrakali cult. It is performed in temples which is dedicated to goddess Bhadrakali. In 2010, this Mudiyattu was inscribed in UNESCO's representative list to intangible cultural heritage of humanity. So background, what is Kali Darika battle? Darika was a demon which received a boon from the Lord Brahma that he can never be defeated by any man. So this made Darika powerful. In arrogance, Darika went to conquer the world, defeating even Indra, and almost it became intolerable. So Narad went to Lord Shiva that how to contain the atrocities of Darika. Shiva agreed that there is a way to circumvent Brahma's boon. How? That Darika would not be killed by a man, but it can be killed by a woman. So, what are the features of Mudiyattu? The instruments played during the ritual are Vikku Chenna, Uruttu Chenda, Ithakalam and Chengila. Mudi refers to the headgear of the Kali, headgear, and its terror-inspiring face with her wild hairs, and it is a part that which is put on the actor to perform the role of goddess Kali. It starts, how the ceremony starts? Ceremony starts with Kala Mezhuttu. This involves the drawing of the goddess Bhadrakali in a specifically marked area in the temple. This is followed by Kalam Puja or worshipping of the drawing which is made on the premises in the temple. Then that Kalam or image is removed and erased. After that, the characters plays the role. The characters involved are Bhadrakali, Narad, Darika, Shiva, Danavendra, Kochiyara and Kuli. These characters appear on the stage. The first characters to appear on the stage are Shiva and Narad. Then the later characters are followed. This is followed by the entry of Koyeshaddar, and the Mudiyattu ends with the victory of Kali over Darika. It begins after the setting of the sun and goes before the sunrise.